Hey y'all, it's Stacy with SouthernBite.com. Listen, August 16th is National Bratwurst Day, and there's no better way to celebrate National Bratwurst Day than with my friends from Johnsonville. Now, regardless of how you celebrate Bratsgiving, whether it's a small gathering with just your family or a huge gathering with extended family and friends, I've got an easy and fun way to create a bratwurst hot tub to keep those brats warm and ready for snacking on throughout the event. It's super simple. I've got a 6-quart slow cooker right here that we're going to put on either warm or the low setting. To that, we're going to add, this is about 4 large onions that we've sliced, and we've also taken them and we've cooked them down a little, just with a little oil, just till they're nice and tender. We're going to add that to the slow cooker. Now, the best thing about Johnsonville bratwursts is there's so much flavor already packed inside, you don't really have to worry about adding flavor to them. So this doesn't add flavor, but what it does is the onions give you a great topping to go right on the top of your bratwurst. To that, we're going to add 4 cups of liquid. Now, you can choose to use beer if you'd like, which is a great thing with brats, or if you're doing something more family-friendly, you could just use chicken broth, and that's what we're doing here. So we've added 4 cups there. All you do is you cook your bratwurst just like the package instructs you. We've grilled ours, and you can do it anyway. I like the grill flavor that it adds. You just pop them right in here into the liquid. And keeping this slow cooker on low keeps them nice and warm and ready to eat whenever somebody gets hungry. Now, if you ask me, there's no better way to celebrate Bratsgiving than with a bratwurst hot tub. Y'all enjoy!